Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here to start things off this morning. Now, there are actually two different advisory graphics to show you here. The first one I'm going to lead you with here, we have a red flag warning that will be in place this afternoon and early this evening for all the pink or the magenta shaded counties there. Buffalo County to Dawson County, south towards Franklin, Harlan, Furnace County, and then westward over towards western Nebraska. Southern parts of Rock and Brown County, Blaine County, and west into the Sandhills of Nebraska. So this afternoon, early this evening, this means high fire danger today. We have a warm, breezy, dry day in place for today, so fires can get out of control pretty easily out there, so that is something to keep in mind later on today with the low humidity levels that'll be out there for today. Also, a dense fog advisory in eastern Nebraska till 10 o'clock includes the Lincoln and Omaha metro areas there. There have been some dense areas of fog. We've seen some of that build all the way back to the west to around the Hastings area, although it's been very hit or miss. It's not widespread. But again, a few isolated areas of dense fog. I don't think it's going to be a major concern for a long period of time going through our day today. Futurecast showing some of those areas of fog and some higher level clouds across southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. As we go through our day, that will clear out pretty quickly, so we should see a lot of sunshine this afternoon. Now, we do have a very weak cold front in the area. Really, all this is more than anything, it's separating 80s to the south and 70s to the north. Either way you look at it, I think we'll take it. It's going to be a wonderful day today. Winds are going to be a bit breezy, and I'll take this backwards a little bit. You see those arrows, again, moving out of the northwest. A little fast. It's going to be a little breezy out there for today. Not a terribly windy day, but a little on the breezy side. Enjoy it, though, because today looks like the warmest day we'll see for a while. Quiet tonight, a good evening to get out and enjoy. The winds will die down. After midnight, we'll see some clouds roll through here, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, that cold front, that one actually does have some colder air with it. That cold front moves southward during the morning hours, so that's going to bring us a cooler day tomorrow. And temperatures may actually drop later in the day, and we're going to see a strong northerly wind, north and northwest wind behind that front. We're talking about sustained winds 20 to 30 miles per hour, and gusts could approach 40 miles per hour. So you're going to notice that wind a little bit more. Wouldn't be surprised to see some blowing dirt and dust in those drier areas out there. That's also something that may be a bit of a concern. And temperatures may actually drop later in the day tomorrow, during the afternoon hours. We may see our high temperature a little closer to the middle of the day, and it'll be cooler by the end of the afternoon into the early evening hours. So temperatures for today soaring. You know what, even if it's behind a cold front, those 70s up north sound pretty darn nice. How about 80s to the south? Low and then mid 80s in southeast Nebraska and northern Kansas. So it should be a nice warm day today. Record highs are mid to upper 80s. I don't think we'll get quite there in most locations, but still. You know what, record lows today are down around 7 to 11 degrees. That was just 2 years ago. We were in the single digits and teens on the morning of April 7th. So you know what? This is a big difference from that right there. And even our lows tonight, nowhere near that. We're talking about 40s and lower 50s tonight. Tomorrow, here come the changes. Again, those dropping temperatures. This could be a middle of the day high. 50s north, 60s, and even some 70s to the south, but temperatures will probably be cooler later in the day. And then colder nights are ahead of us as well. Thursday morning, we're down into the upper 20s and lower to mid 30s. So noticeably cooler morning out there for Thursday morning. And Thursday will be kind of a cooler day overall with highs mostly in the low and mid 50s, maybe upper 50s there towards southwest portions of Nebraska. At least the sunshine will return for your day on Thursday. Looking at your long-range forecast, we've already kind of talked about those next 3 days. No precipitation expected. Breezy today, windier tomorrow afternoon. Still a little breezy on your Thursday, but not a terribly windy day, and it will be a cooler day out there as well. Thursday night into Friday morning, it'll be colder. How about 20s for overnight lows there? Friday, trying to get close to 60 degrees again. I think we could see more 60s out west. Still mostly sunny, but I think by the afternoon, and especially more so into the evening hours, there's going to be a slight chance of rain. That could continue into your Saturday. As we get into Saturday night, that's when we see a cold front come through and chances of moisture will increase. Still looking like better chances of moisture will be to our west, but that moisture could fall in the form of rain, but changing to a wintry mix or even snow later on Saturday night as it gets cold enough. Easter Sunday looks miserable. We're talking about a chilly day in the 30s. Winds will be fairly strong, and some of that moisture will continue. I think the brunt of the moisture will be earlier in the day as opposed to later in the day, but it could be a little bit of snow out there, maybe some accumulating snow. I'm not expecting a major winter storm or anything like that, but we could see some light accumulating snowfall in the area here, so it does not look like a real pleasant Easter Sunday. And that's kind of the beginning of what looks to be a chillier stretch of weather for the middle part of April. Most of next week is shaping up pretty chilly, as you'll see on this 10-day forecast here. We go from soaring temperatures today to back around our average high of the next 3 or 4 days there through Saturday, and then the big drop on Sunday. And it's going to stay on the chillier side most of next week with highs mostly in the 40s next week here. So it does not look like we'll see real pleasant weather for the middle of April here. So That's the way it is sometimes this time of the year. You know what? We were spoiled yesterday. We get another really nice day today. Then it goes kind of downhill from there. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until tomorrow, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you enjoy the weather today. Get outside. Enjoy it, of course, with the social distancing protocol of course, out there as well. But you know that doesn't mean you can't get outside and shoot some hoops or just go for a walk or just do anything to enjoy the day. And especially this evening. When those winds die down this evening, it's going to be pretty good out there for the post-supper time frame here. So there you go. We'll talk to you all later. God bless. Bye.